Well, hello guys. It's been a long time since my last full-length video, but I just thought I'd clue you in on my run today. We're gonna try to do something kind of big today. Could be interesting. It's raining where I am right now, but where we're gonna go up higher, you can kind of tell, looks like it might be snow, and they were forecasting a few inches up there, so could be a little interesting, but I love the snow and we'll see how it goes. Plan I think is for like 9 miles, maybe between 4,000 and 5,000 feet of climbing. So I'm excited. I did a run similar to this one a few days ago, and it was just so much fun that I wanted to do it again. All right, 1 mile in, right out of the gate, we gained about 1,000 feet. Hadn't taken this way before. It's pretty though. It might be near whiteout conditions on the top, so I thought I would get the view now. Pretty cool. All right, guys, we're about 2.5 miles in, about 2,000 feet of climbing done. Snow is sticking, so pretty up here, and feeling pretty good. I'm really tired, I think, from the run 2 days ago. It was just like this one. I guess that's what I get for being a little bit inconsistent with my running, but oh, it's so cool up here. Whoa, almost took a dive there. All right, we're up to the first ridge. Kind of spooky. Can't tell, but it's pretty steep. We're, I think, maybe 1,500 feet from the top. So good. Okay, just hit 3,000 feet and just a couple hundred feet, vertical feet to the summit. Wow, this is such a climb. There's a lot more snow here than there was 2 days ago. And I was thinking about it on the way up. I think that this is probably the last time this season that I'll come up here with just running shoes. I think the next time around, you'd have to come up here with snowshoes or skis and a buddy, because this is like prime avalanche terrain. So pretty up here though. Just dumping snow. Woo! Made it to the top. Trying to decide whether I want to keep traversing over to Baldy. Snow blowing into my ear. Maybe I'll just finish the loop and go down. Check out the size of that snowdrift. 3,700 feet to get here. It's like a whole nother climate up here. I should turn this way so the snow goes into this here too. Man, seriously coming in. I'm excited to get the trees here. Man, this trail is almost unrecognizable when there's all this snow. I think I might have taken a wrong turn. It's kind of hard to tell. Yep, definitely took a wrong turn. Thankfully, I think I only have to backtrack a few, like 100 yards. So that's not too bad. Man, the snow is so deep. Well, the adventure continues. Found the trail. Woohoo! All right, 8 miles in. We're about 2 miles away from finishing the loop. As you can see, we're kind of almost below the snow line. But yeah, feeling good. I ended up taking one of my gels because I was just feeling completely gassed up the little uphills. And since this is my first full-length video in a while. I thought I'd kind of introduce the theme for the channel for those that are new. So I'm just a regular guy, have a job, have a family, but whenever I can, I really like to squeeze in these big adventures, usually trail running. But if you've been following my channel, if you look at my old videos, there's a lot of road running stuff. So I used to be super into road marathons, still love them, but now I really, really love the trail stuff. So once per week, or whenever I get a chance, I like to do big challenges like the one I'm doing today. Pretty soon, it's going to turn to snowshoeing and skiing. But I hope you enjoy the channel. Let me know if you have any recommended adventures, because I'm always on the hunt. And here we are, back where it's dry. No snow down here. So much fun. Running is good for the soul. I think big challenges are good. Remind people that they're capable of more than they know. Ended up with about 10 miles. Took me about 2.5 hours and climbed almost 4,300 feet. That was great. Might be close to the end of the season for running on top of the Bridger Mountains. So I'm excited to do a little bit of winter stuff with some snowshoes and backcountry skiing, which is all pretty new to me. So I've got to find a buddy that kind of knows what they're doing. But thanks for tuning in. This was so fun, and hope you guys have a great day.